Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how easy it is to generate GIFs from the preview page after you must have created your collection on GenaDrop Creator. And to do that, scroll down, see the generate GIF button, click on it. Now we'll select whatever art appears to us that we want to use as GIFs. I like this. Select them. We can select any number of art we want and then input duration time to 1 second and click on done. So you can see it's generating your GIFs. Once it's done, it's going to give us a pop-up showing us to add the GIF to our collection or not to. Yeah, as you can see, it's done generating, and here you can see your live preview of your GIF is changing. Yeah, and to add it to our collection, we simply click on add all to demo, and demo was our collection name. We created that initially. So yeah, so you can see this is the GIF, and you can do this for multiple arts. You can generate GIF for as multiple arts as you want. Let's do a second one. Let's add generate another GIF. Click on generate GIF. Select this. Then scroll. Select another one. Select this skin tone and probably okay, and set duration for the GIF at 1 second. Click on done, and it's generating. Once it's done, we are going to see our GIF, and we can also as well add them to our collection so that once we download our zip, finally we download the GIFs along with it. So yeah, it's also done generating. We can decide to add it to a demo or to a demo collection or close it off. And anytime we want to add it to our collection, we can simply come to this place, to this button, click on it, and we see our GIF generated. The ones that we haven't added to the collection, we can decide to add it or delete it. So I'm going to as well add this to the collection. So we have now have two GIFs in our collection. So yeah, that's how easy it is to add or generate GIFs from the preview page in GenaDrop. Thank you guys for watching.